Hey guys, thank you for joining us again this week. It's a cloudy day, it's foggy, but the kids are off from school. It's the weekend, and we're happy to spend some time together. We are actually going to the jump park, and it's across the river, so we have to take the bridge. The bridge is awesome and cool, but today we can't even see the river. That's how foggy it is. Come with us, see what happens. Wait, mine, Jerome, mine should come. Wait, I'm gonna tell you when it's okay. Where are you gonna jump? Jerome, jump from up high. Yes! Jump from up high, Jay. All right, go, Jerome. Your turn. Watch out. No, jump. Jerome, come on. Come on. No. Go jump from right there. Hurry up. You're on camera. Hurry up. Ready? Like that, Jerome. Go. Right there. It really is the foam pit of doom. It really is. Don't take your sock off. Pull it. Pull. Watch out for the little kids. Get the legs, Jerome. Get the legs. Get the legs. Get going there. You're changing mine. No. Nope. We are now heading over to Hong Kong Market. That's where I get my saltfish and jackfruit and some other interesting fruits. They always got this restaurant, Jerome. It wasn't always that one. Smell it, Jerome. Woo. You okay? Why? So I look for that mango there. Mr. Grinch. No, I don't. No. Lunch? What? Whoa. Here. Here, Jerome. I need bags. Jerome and look who and I are in Costco together. No Jojo. Just us. She is home with daddy. We're going. What are we in here for, Jerome?
My cake.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Favorite holiday by a Costco. Here we go. Get it, girl. Sometimes I forget that I need to take a picture.
Trying to write down something saying football cake.
Football cake. This new self-serve thing is the bomb. Alright, slice of pep, slice of cheese, and that's it.